Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 18 of the MERN interview question series. I have added the playlist link in the description, so make sure to check it out for your upcoming interview preparation. So without any ado, let's get straight to the point. Today's first question is difference between var and let keyword in JavaScript. This is a common interview question to test your basic knowledge of JavaScript. Sometimes they may also ask you the difference between let and the const. We know that we use var, let and const to create variables, but even though they seem similar, but they work differently in terms of how and where we can use them in our code. The main difference between var, let and const revolves around scope. First, let's talk about the var keyword. It is a function scope. This means if we create a variable using a var inside a function, we can only use it within that function. For example, if we declare a variable x inside an if statement, we can still access it outside that if block as long as it is within the same function. This means that var keyword is a function scope. On the other hand, let and const are block scope. This means that they are limited to the block they are declared in, like inside an curly bracket. If we try to use let or const variable outside of the block where it was created, we will get an error. For example, when we try to print y and z outside the if block, an error occurs which shows that the let and const are the block scope. I hope you have got a clear understanding of this concept. If you found this explanation helpful, please leave a comment about this interview series. Now let's move on to the next question. Can we use this keyword with an arrow function? The answer is no. This is an important question. While it may or may not come up in interviews, but it's something every developer should understand. Arrow function handles this keyword differently from regular functions. In arrow functions, this is not bound to the function itself. On the other hand, regular functions have their own this, which refers to the object that call the function. Now let's move on to the last question for day 18. Which library is used to handle routing in React application? In a React application, routing is typically handled by the React router library. React router allows us to define specific routes for different parts of the application and map those routes to specific components. And that concludes day 18 of our MERN interview question series. I hope you found this series helpful for your upcoming interview. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interview questions and coding tips. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have included the link to my Instagram account in the description. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.